Here is Nathaniel's tutorial for the school bus song. So we have labeled the strings. We need the D string and the A string. Yeah, D
We
and
are
A.
listening.
So we go, the wheels on the bus go round and round. Oh, don't take it off. And then we just strum this one. Round and round. And then we go back to this one. Round and round. Oh. Can you just strum this one right here? Ready?
There's your light.
There it is. All right, take your pick. Strum this one. Wheels on the, and strum it again. Bus go round and round. And now the A string. Round and round. And then back to the D string. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. And then the A string again. And then back to the D string. Oh, don't drop the pick in. Oh, no, we dropped the pick. But that's how we play the song, just the D string and the A string. Let's see if we can get the pick out. So sad.